What is up, y'all? Thanks for tuning in. This is gonna be a get ready with me for a soft beat glam look featuring your girl Jeannide. What's up, baby girl? How you doing? I hope you good amid this quarantine, honey. I'm just looking cute for the quarantine, although it's almost 11 p.m. at night. Should have done this earlier. Anyways, this is the Angel Veil Primer by NYX. It's super cute, super soft. I don't know if my nails are in the way. Okay. Honey, these nails are brought to you by CVS. No, Rite Aid. I went to Rite Aid. But I'm sure they have something similar at CVS. They're like Kiss nails, Kiss press-ons. I lost all sense of smell. That's what I really wanted to tell the world here today. I did have allergies these past few days. I really wanted to film, but I kept sneezing everywhere. And I kept friggin', what's that other word? What's that word? Why can't I think? I kept sneezing and my throat was itchy, and I did cough, but I didn't cough that much. But it was really just allergies. I just was a mess. Like, I was a mess. Like, my nose was running. I kept sneezing. It was just a mess. Today, I don't have anything except the loss of smell and taste, which sucks. So, hopefully, it's just temporary. Because, like, you know, these past few days, I've just been blowing my nose. So maybe one of my nerves are effed up in my nose. Okay, so today I was just pampering myself. So as I was saying, I moisturized my real hair. I washed this wig. I didn't wash my real hair, but I washed the wig. Because I knew this wig was dusty because it was just sitting there for months. And I cleaned my room last week. And I put this away in like, whatchamacallit? In like a bag or something. But I knew it needed to be washed. And excuse me, I just felt like wearing a wig today, for real. So that's what I did. So I washed this wig. I deep conditioned this wig. And while I was doing that, since that doesn't take that long at all, I was actually moisturizing my hair because it was so freaking dry. So I did that. Okay. So this is the Fenty Pro Conceal. What is this actually called? This is the Instant Retouch Concealer by Fenty from the Pro Filter line in shade shade 385. This is my foundation shade, so this is the same shade. So this is more like it. This is an actual foundation brush. So I'm going to use the NYX Radiant Glow foundation in the shade Nutmeg as my foundation today. What did I say? It's the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I'm gonna use this. I love this foundation. It's nice, honey. Yo, honestly, it looks orange at first, but it's nice. It's nice. It's real nice. Look at this. Right now I look like an Oompa Loompa. Team Oompa Loompa. Oh, look at this. Because I need to put this hair away. I cannot have any foundation on this thing, honey. And the shade names are so freaking weird for this foundation. I believe they're so weird. Because usually a Nutmeg is super dark. But, obviously I'm not that dark. But that's my shade. And even a Mahogany. Mahogany is like a tan color for this line for some reason. It's so odd. So this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit. Okay, so I've had this concealer forever. I'm surprised I have a lot left. 1, 2, 3. So now this is my second concealer that I'm using underneath my eyes. Well, I guess third, but on top of the foundation. The second, whatever. So this is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 13. Yes, so we let it sit for a bit, so now we're going to blend it out. This thing blends like a dream. Like, I was blending for only 2 seconds. Like, what the heck? Sacha Buttercup in Banana. Yes, honey, this is the best thing ever. I'm gonna get my sponge. Tip, 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 tip. Things are amazing. And yes, and shut, honey. Just shut it. Oh yes. It goes right into the skin. Which a lot of makeup artists on Instagram, when they be doing people's makeup, they tell them, look, you really gotta do this. You really do. You really do. But I actually added a lot of powder. So, and then besides, you know, doing a lot of concealers, you gotta use a lot of different powders or whatever. So I'm actually gonna use another powder for my under eye. I barely use this powder, but I don't know if my makeup looked the way it did because I also use this powder too, or what. I don't know. I don't want to take any chances and be like, oh, let me not use this powder. Maybe my makeup will still look the same as it did last time. No. We gonna do this. So this is the Maybelline New York Fit Me powder or whatever. Very popular. People love this thing. Set and Smooth powder. This is in the shade 240 Golden Beige. So I'm gonna put this right underneath, like pretty much on my eye bags. Not underneath the whole highlighted area, but ooh, Jesus. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, this thing's a mess. Okay, so whatever we can get, put it like right underneath the eyeball, like right underneath the eyeball where the creasing be at. Like, since it's a much lighter shade, you don't want to do too much. But, and this is not a damp sponge at all. It's very dry. I ain't got no water. I mean, I don't think I used anything that was like, ooh, I feel like I look ashy right now. From my other videos from last week, I used this Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony for my contour and for my eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna do contour. I'm over this quarantine thing, low-key. I mean, today, I'm not that over it, because it's like, oh, let's talk about the benefits. Okay, so this quarantine thing is not that bad, because you see, look at this, look at all this content I'm producing, and not just that, and it's something that now I have time for it, and I'm glad, I'm grateful. Not just that, see, if Fema got time to put press-ons now. She got time to clean her wig and try to practice, you know, whatchamacallit, doing the baby hairs on the wig and making it look natural and stuff, and cutting out lace, like, you know, cutting out extra lace. Yeah, you see, this is low-key a blessing in disguise. It is, honestly and truly. What else? Trying to improve my makeup game. What else? What else am I trying to do during this quarantine? Learning about stocks more, so a female can invest her monies to make more money, honey. Yes. What else? There's something else I was saying. Okay, I cleaned my room. Yeah, I bleached it down last week. That's amazing. That was amazing, girl. That was way overdue. How overdue it was is embarrassing, but at least it's done. Okay, it's done. It looks beautiful now. My room is amazing. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful now. Oh, it's because I Love Your Natural. I got these press-ons. Love Your Natural and this other YouTuber, Piper Potts. I don't know if that's her Instagram or if that's her YouTube and Instagram. I don't remember. She put like a pretty much a pharmacy press-on video, and I was like, wow, these people really. Look at this. This looked like salon quality nails. Didn't even get them from the salon. I got them for like $12 at CVS, and it came with glue, and it came with a nail file and the cuticle thing, just, you know, to push back the cuticles. It was wooden, but it still got the job done. A cuticle pusher. So yeah, and yeah. I wanted to go to CVS, but I was like, let me just go to Rite Aid. I've honestly wanted French, like the French style tips with the same shape, but I got these. I mean, these are cute. Okay, these are cute, but you know, the French goes with everything. But what am I gonna be doing here at home anyway? Well, I did other pampering stuff today too. I nailed my face, honey, so I don't come on camera look like a man like I did 2 years ago, honey. But I know it was that bad, but until years later. But yeah, I nailed my face this morning. I exfoliated, honey. I used my oils for my face or whatever, so I don't, whatchamacallit, get ingrowns. I'm gonna try to do lashes. Honestly, I don't know how to do lashes with these things on. I hope I find that applicator, the lash applicator. I hope and pray I find it quickly so I can put on lashes. Cause so other benefits. Oh, so I started drinking this ISO tea. ISO tea. I started drinking it today, but we'll see how it goes. I hope it goes well. We'll see, you know. Cause from 11 Natural again, you know, that's my girl. She put me on. She was like, why you in quarantine? You got time to poop the pounds away. You're gonna be in the bathroom all day. I have not been in the bathroom all day. I've been in the bathroom once. So we're going to dust off this powder with pretty much my all over face powder, I guess. This is Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Honey. I should do something about the smile lines. I don't think I did this the other day, but we're gonna do it today because they look a little crazy. Because I see where it can possibly crease right here. Because I see some lines already. I feel very, whatchamacallit, self-conscious about this makeup look for some reason. I don't know why I don't feel confident. This is the Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I know that I used this setting spray the other day. While it's still wet, my tried and true Milani Day Glow powder. So this is my favorite highlighter. Like, ugh, oh my god, I have not found another highlighter that like compares. This is like my favorite highlighter of all time. This is, oh yes, we trying to look like a glowing red nosed reindeer. Well, a glowing nosed red reindeer. Oh my gosh, why can't I speak? But yeah, okay. So we are back again, y'all. We are back, and to be honest, that was like an hour ago. My camera shut off. So this is what I was saying. I lined my lips with the NYX liner, matte liner in burgundy, and then I added my tried and true. I love this thing. My lips look extra juicy whenever I wear it. The what's it called? The NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. I love this thing. So I combined these two together. We got the Jackie Aina palette. I used, what is it, Zam? We use Zam right here. This is what's in the inner corner, and I think that's it. You know, I think we talked about everything. We have these lashes. I don't remember where they're from, but they're from this box. What is this? Cassandra? Who is this? Is it Kiss? Is it I don't think it's Ardell. I haven't used Ardell lashes in a while, actually. So I think they're Kiss lashes. I don't know. Sorry. I don't even know if they're on right now, to be honest, either. I hope they're on right. But that's my, you know, glammy routine now. My makeup glam routine. Soft glam. Real nice. You know, no eyeshadow. Just soft glam. Yes, that's my soft glam routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed and my little talk about, you know, what's been going on with me and quarantining and this whole new lifestyle and everything. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, baby girl, and I'll see you later.